This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change NZXT Kraken display. Full guide. Open NZXT Cam, click Devices, select Kraken, then choose Display Settings to begin. First, I will explain display modes, how to upload images and GIF, and how to map system stats. I will also cover common errors and quick fixes, plus tips for best resolution and transfer speed so your display looks crisp and works reliably. Start by opening the Kraken display panel in CAM and choosing your preferred mode. For images, click Upload and crop to match the screen ratio. For GIF, trim the file length to avoid stutter. If you pick System Info, select which sensors show and set update intervals. Test each change with the preview and apply only when satisfied to avoid unnecessary restarts or file re-uploads during use. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money, and it pairs well with saving for PC upgrades or that next Kraken cooler. I've placed the link and extra deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for that support. Now let's get back to the video. If the Kraken display fails to update, try simple fixes first to save time. Reboot CAM, unplug and replug the Kraken USB or HDMI, then retry your upload. If images look wrong, resize them to the display resolution and use PNG or optimized GIF. Finally, check for firmware updates inside CAM to resolve many display glitches and improve performance without needing deeper troubleshooting steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.